Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a highly requested hairstyle tutorial for you guys. So quite a few people have been asking me, Kay, how do you create these beach waves that just look so effortless? And I thought, you know what, let me actually just create a video for you guys to see. So I'm just going to go straight into it. So the products that you need are literally, I use this spray, and it's like a beach mist, and it's just texturizing spray with salt inside, so it just gives you that beachy kind of feel for your hair, and literally just a comb and a hair tie. So basically, when your hair has just dried naturally, mine looks like so, this is actually too dry, so you need to have it slightly damp. So I'm just going to go in and quickly spray this generously all over my hair. So literally just spray this all over so it starts. Okay, so once it's like this, you literally grab a comb. So make sure you've not got any knots in your hair, so you have combed it through. So literally just just comb it through. Then literally start creating a plait. So this is a French braid, and you literally start with a section at the top of your head, and I'm just going to quickly comb this through because I feel like there's a few knots in there. So just comb it through, create 3 sections, so 1, 2 and 3. Now basically you put the top one over, and the middle one goes underneath the first one, and the second one literally goes over, as so, and then that one goes over. Then you repeat that all the way down your hair. So just comb that out. I'm just going to try and show you this. So literally take another section from the side. So you keep always adding to the side of hairs. So I've put that, grab the other side, and I'm literally doing the same on this side. So once you've got all 3 pieces, then you repeat the process. So now I've got 3 parts again. So literally underneath, the middle one goes underneath, the top one goes over. You bring the underneath one out onto the side, and then the one that's on number 1, which is this side, goes into the middle. So then you create another section. So this one, so I'm just going to do it from here. It doesn't matter how thick or thin these sections are, guys, just saying. So then same thing, so I've got this side, now let me just grab one on the other side. Perfect. Now I'm going to start bringing this over. So same thing, middle one goes underneath and then to the side. And the one that's on this side comes into the middle. Perfect. So remember, this is super messy, so it doesn't matter if it's not neat. That's the whole purpose of this hairstyle. So then same thing again. Get another section, and then bring it back onto this side, get another section, and then literally underneath goes to the side. That's over here now, and the other one goes back over into the middle. And then any last remainders, just bring it into the last bit, and then just keep doing that motion all the way till you get to the end of your hair. So my plait's probably not straight, which doesn't really matter, but then you literally just keep doing that motion all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna have to bring my hair to the front again now because it's slightly longer, and then just continue that till you literally get right to the bottom. So it's really important, guys, to get all the way to the bottom. So, because then you'll have like little bits at the end which are super straight, which you don't want. So just keep going all the way. So the last bit looks really funny, but that's not a problem. Who cares? Because that's not going to be shown. Then you get your hair tie, and then just tie this in, as so, all the way. And then, guys, with your plait, grab the spray again and spray your hair quite a bit, all the way. Even the bottom bit, and then you let that to stay. Now, honestly, the longer you keep it, the better it is. So I am going to try and keep this for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back for you guys and then undo this. So hopefully you can see the textured beach waves, but usually when I do this, I would either do this at night time, leave it overnight, and then my hair's sorted, or as soon as I've washed my hair, once it dries, straight away when it's a bit damp, tie it up, and then by the time it's come to 10, 11 o'clock, it's totally nice and curly. But if you want really long-lasting beach waves, then the longer you do it, guys, the better it is. So I'll be back in a little while. Hey guys, so it's been like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna start taking this off so you can see how it is. Now, it might not be as curly as we hope because it's literally just been 5 minutes, but yeah, let's see what my hair has done. Actually, it's quite... So it's created some waves. Not loads, but it's created some waves. So I'm literally just going to go in and start spraying this, and the key is, guys, to literally just spray and then scrunch the hair up. Spray and then scrunch the hair up, because it will let the curls sit in a bit more. So take the last bit off. Same thing, just keep spraying and scrunch it in. Spray, scrunch. So this is it. This is literally how I create this beach hairstyle. So it's just whichever way you think your hair sits better. And I think my hair is definitely sitting better this way. So sometimes if you think it's too curly at the top, you can straighten it out. But the whole purpose of this hairstyle is literally so that you have that beachy hairstyle, which is really effortless, and it just has amazing volume. So if you're ever feeling like your hair is super flat, this literally gives you really nice curls without using any heat in your hair, which is always a plus point. But yeah, this is a hairstyle, guys. So I really hope you have liked this. Let me just show you from the back. Remember, this is only 5 minutes I've kept my hair in, and it is quite curly in 5 minutes, and like wavy, sorry, it is quite wavy in 5 minutes. So if you are looking to have more of a more waves basically, just keep the plait in for a little bit longer, more than 5 minutes, and you will definitely get a lovely beach wave effect, and with so much volume. Like, my hair has immense volume right now compared to what it was before, and honestly girls, it's so easy to do and you can pull it off with anything. So I know that I literally live off the spray, but you don't have to use the spray. You can literally just use water, and then if you wanted to just apply like a serum to it afterwards, that would also work, and it will also give it that vibe. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. It was so easy. I hope you find it really easy to follow too. I have got some cute beach waves in like 5 minutes. So if you are looking to create this look, and if you want it a little bit longer and you leave it a little bit longer in your hair, it will just be a lot more fuller and a lot more curlier. So I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please do comment below if you have anything that you would love to see, and I promise I will deliver. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.